No parents. Probably a fancy orphanage.
I don't know how to pack a suitcase. I've never done this once in my whole life.
Tom.
That's what Reagan said. What did I say?
Check it out. All the houses with nobody home.
All right, Johnny. But what about my money?
What money?
AC said you had some dough for me.
That is fair. How much do I owe you?
AC said 10%.
Too bad AC ain't in charge no more.
What do you mean?
He's upstairs taking a bath. He'll call you when he gets out. Hey, I tell you what I'm gonna give you, Snakes. I'm gonna give you to the count of 10 to get your ugly, yellow, no good keister off my property before I pump your guts full of lead.
All right, Johnny, I'm sorry. I'm going.
1, 2, 10. Keep the change, you filthy animal.
But baby, it's cold outside.
Got to go
But
away.
baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been hoping that you drop
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother will start to
Beautiful, what's your
My father
hurry?
will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace
So really,
roar.
I'd better start.
Beautiful, please don't
Well, maybe
hurry.
just a half a drink
Put
more.
some records on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might
Baby, it's bad out there.
say, what's in this
No
drink?
cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew
Your
how
eyes are like starlight
to
now.
break this spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I ought to
swell.
say no, no.
Mind
yes.
if I move in
At least I'm
closer?
gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense of hurting my pride?
can't
Oh,
stay.
baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold outside.
I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The answer is no.
Baby, it's cold outside.
The welcome has
How
been
lucky that you
so
dropped in.
nice and warm.
Look out the window at the
My
storm.
sister will be suspicious.
Gosh, your lips look
My brother will
delicious.
be there at the door.
Waves upon the tropic.
Somebody gave us a little present, or a little dress that they said that could fit you, and it's for the Christmas time. So here, put it. Look at it. Do you like it?
Yes!
How did I know you would? You want to wear it right now?
Yes!
Okay. Let's go ahead and put it on. She wants to see. She wants to see.
Whoa! It's amazing!
It's amazing. Who does it remind you of?
Elf.
An elf?
Santa?
Yeah. Or Santa?
Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus? Yeah. And here you go, Savinka. You want something too?
Mama,
How about-
Christmas pig.
Hey. Yeah? Ready?
Christmas pig. Christmas pig. Mama, remember?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Try doing the floss. Ready?
Yeah?
Go ahead, Alana, your turn. Yeah! Good job. Yeah! Good job.
So pretty, baby. Olha.
Watch out.
Beautiful. Yay! Woo! Yay! Push it, Savannah. Push that one.
Oof.
Oh my God.
Yay!
No.
Where's the star at, guys?
The soldier has it.
Put it on, son.
But it's not done.
No, I know, but you can put it on. Put the star on, please.
Go, 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 go.
Yay!
Happy holiday. What the?
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in the winter wonderland. Over the ground lies a mantle of white, a heaven of diamonds shine down through the night. Two hearts are thrilling in spite of the chilling weather. Love knows no season, love knows no clime. Romance can blossom any old time. Here in the open, we're walking and hoping, together, 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 together. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He's singing a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kiddies knock him down. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Though your nose gets a chillin', we'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in the winter wonderland, walking in the winter wonderland.